Hello guys, this is Valorant part 16. I feel like I want to make more episodes than 24. I feel like I want to make like 100 until I turn into an adult, guys. Okay? Yes! Sage is now dead. Okay, I don't really want to do that. I really want to play Okay guys, I will practice for a bit. I will practice for a bit. Okay guys, I'll post. Okay guys, this is not unrated, but I just wanted to show you a thing that Temet has teach everyone how to use Neon in Split. Okay guys, you can all play with Neon in the Split if you're all in attacker. Okay, this is it. That's why I cannot. Okay guys, this is how. Stay up here. You all stay up here. Then run and then dash. You will all just fly. That's the great thing. You can outrun the others who were gonna go up here. I did that move to my... I like the effects of this phantom and this loop, guys. That's why I'm gonna use it. We all can die. Guys, this is a myth. We all can die a lot of times if we